Hello and welcome to our channel Live After 60s with SK and Seema. We are in Melbourne and living in a suburban area where lots of home constructions are taking place. So we decided to make a video on home construction, and today we will take a look at how a typical residential home is constructed in Australia. Australia is known for its extensive use of timber framed housing, particularly in suburban developments. Before any construction starts, surveyors identify the exact boundaries of the property and establish the house position according to the approved building plans. The site is then cleared of vegetation, debris, rocks, and any unwanted materials. And earth moving equipment is used to level the land and create the required building platform. Once the site is prepared, excavators dig trenches for H beams and footing systems. Plumbers install underground drainage pipes, sewer connections, stormwater system that must pass beneath the slab. Next, a layer of compacted fill material is placed and carefully leveled. This provides a stable base for the concrete slab. A moisture barrier, typically a heavy-duty plastic membrane, is then laid across the ground. This helps prevent moisture from rising into the building structure. Steel reinforcement bars and reinforcing mesh are installed according to engineering requirement. Finally, concrete is poured into the prepared framework, creating the slab and perimeter beams. Once poured, the concrete must cure properly to achieve its design strength. This process may take several days or longer depending on weather conditions. At this point, the foundation of the future house is complete. With the slab ready, construction of the timber structure begins. Australia has a long tradition of timber framed housing due to timber's availability, versatility, and ease of construction. Wall frames are often pre-fabricated in a factory or assembled on site. Builders carefully position the wall frames on the slab according to the floor plan. Once each wall is in place, temporary braces holds it upright until the entire structure is connected together. Opening for windows and doors are already incorporated into the framing system. As more walls are erected, the shape of the house becomes clearly visible. After the wall framing is complete, the roof structure is installed. Prefabricated timber roof trusses are delivered to the site by trucks. Using cranes or manual lifting methods, builders place the trusses onto the wall frames. Each truss is carefully aligned and secured according to engineering specifications. Temporary bracings keeps the roof stable until all permanent bracings and connections are installed. Once completed, the roof framework creates the overall shape of the house and provides structural rigidity to the building. The house is now beginning to resemble its final appearance. The next objective is to make the structure weather resistant. Roof battens are attached to the trusses, creating fixing points for roofing materials. Depending on the design, the roof may be covered with concrete tiles, terracotta tiles, or metal roofing sheets. Roof insulation, sacking membranes, flashing components, gutters, and downpipes are installed to manage rainwater and improve thermal performance. At this stage, builders focus on protecting the structure from the elements. Once the roof covering is installed, the building is considered roofed, significantly reducing weather-related construction delays. Next, attention shift to exterior walls. Australian timber frame homes have options like bricks veneer, fiber cement sheets, weatherboards, rendered panels, and modern composite material. The next step is installing windows and doors, including garage access doors. With the building enclosed, various trades begins installing essential services like electrical wiring, plumbing, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, telecommunication cabling, internet connections, and other smart home infrastructure, including solar panels. As interior finishing, painters apply coats to walls, ceilings, and timber trims. Carpenters install skirting boards, architraves, doors, windows, shelves, and other joinery components. Kitchen cabinets, bathroom, vanities, laundry units, etc. are fitted. Flooring contractor lay carpet, timber flooring, tiles, etc., while electrician return to install switches, power outlets, lighting fixtures, smoke alarms, and appliances. Plumber fit sinks, toilets, showers, taps, etc. As part of external work and landscaping, driveways, pathways, fences, and drainage systems are constructed. Topsoil may be spread across the property, followed by turf, garden beds, plants, and landscaping features. These finishing touches improves both functionality and street appeal. As construction near completion, a series of inspections by building inspectors verify compliance with structural safety, energy efficiency, and regulatory requirements. Identified defects are corrected by builder, and after thorough cleaning and all approvals, keys of the completed house are handed over to the owner. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided a clear understanding of how a typical Australian residential house is constructed from the ground up. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Until next time.